I'm Greg Temple. I'm the president of the Label and Card Groups at Meyers. So today we have sitting on our floor our brand new MPS EF SYMJET powered by Domino. Meyers has been owned by the Dillon family since 1949, starting out with a single piece of printing equipment, having grown now to where we are a $60+ million company operating out of a 250,000 square foot facility in Minneapolis. We're dealing primarily with Fortune 100, Fortune 500 companies across all the parts of our business. Meyers has actually been providing variable data on labels for our customers for near 30 years. From that, we wound up having multiple Domino units on our flexographic presses, which was really a path that led us to the point where we wanted to look at hybrid deeper. We went out and looked at the other competitors that were working on hybrid solutions as well, and still came back solidly on the decision to go with the MPS Domino.
Here we have the unwind system here, holds 13-inch roll. Splicing clamps for splicing on new rolls. Web cleaner cleans both sides of the web. We've got two flexo units here. We've got cold foil, a white. We come into the Domino, which is the digital part of the hybrid system. You got the whites, the yellow, magenta, cyan, black, violet, and orange, which give it the expanded gamut. Come here, we got two more flexo units here. The die unit here, stripping the matrix right here. Comes down to the sheeter station, which rewinds the product here. This is the control panel where I can control the whole press from one area.
I think this press is exciting for our customers because they can finally get what they've wanted all along. Because they're allowing themselves to be able to differentiate from their competition using cold foils, hot foils, spot colors, screen inks, and then the digital unit to be able to handle the proliferation of SKUs that they have. We can finally do that because we now have the Domino unit that will allow us to be able to handle all of those SKUs and those small volumes, but we've got the MPS flexo units for specific logos and things like that.
This is going to be really fun to put this in front of the customers and see their reaction when they see what they can do now that they couldn't do before. To be able to go roll in one end, finish goods out the other end, and have features on there that you could not do conventionally right now. And the first week the machine was functional, we closed 2 new lines of label business that had been teed up to test on there as soon as we could run the machine.
The reason customers come to us to solve problems is that Meyers has a long history of doing things that others can't do or won't do. Our hybrid makes the impossible possible.
We chose to have the press configured for maximum flexibility. At the front end of the press, we have 2 flexo stations to be able to print white on film if we're using an underlying color. We chose the 7-color Domino unit with white to be able to have extended gamut printing. After the Domino unit, we configured with 2 additional flexo units so that we could print multiple varnishes or, again, additional spot colors. We have a delam relam unit that we can print on the adhesive. We have a turn bar for backside printing, and we have a cold foil unit that we can again configure into any one of the flexo stations. And we configured the press with Coker & Beck's quick change die unit so that we can quickly change between one die shape and another.
So we really believe that this hybrid press is a future-proof press, and it combines flexo with converting and UV digital inkjet, all in line, integrated in one machine.
Meyers works with some of the biggest brands in the world, and we're excited to be able to bring this hybrid technology to them.
This new solution really ties into our brand promise, which is through collaboration and excellence, you create possibilities. So we're really excited about the idea of bringing new things to our existing customers and opening up new doors with new customers.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
And a big thanks to Domino and MPS.